Hey, John.
What?
What kind of fan do I have up on my ceiling?
A Honeywell.
A Honeywell?
Yeah.
What kind of fan is it really?
Amazing.
That's right. But today we're pretending it's a Honeywell. All right, John.
I'm gonna start slow.
Okay, can you start with low, please? And just let it stay on low for a sec, okay?
And then
Good.
one high. Can we put it high now?
You want to put it on high? Okay, push number 3. Whoa. Look at that.
Is it wobbling?
A little. What do you think?
Cool. I've never seen it going fast. Let me turn the light off for a minute.
Okay, you could turn the light off. It's going to be hard to see. It's so dark. Ah!
Wow.
Can you turn the light back on, please? Thank you. Good job, Johnny.
Turn it off.
Okay, you want to watch it spin down? Push the 0. Very good. And we can watch it spin down, okay?
It's spinning down.
Yep, it sure is.
And now my another Honeywell.
Okay. Hold on, it's almost done. Wait.
I'm getting back on the bed.
Okay.
And we're gonna watch it spin down.
Yep, almost done.
It's in going time to spin down.
Yep, that's right. And there we go.
And can we take a video of all the ceiling things?
Oh, we'll see. That was fun.
And now for the one in my room.